Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Library Highlights with Mary. April is almost over. We only have 1 week left. And today is the 114th day of the year, and there are 251 days left. Wow, almost halfway. April 30th is Eeyore's birthday. And it's also Dia, which is Children's Day. And the Children's Department is going to celebrate Dia by having craft packets for you to come and pick up. And you can also watch video tutorials on Facebook and YouTube. May happens to be Get Caught Reading Month. So I'm going to give you a few ideas on the different things that you can do to get caught reading. And since May 2nd is International Harry Potter Day, and May 4th is Intergalactical Star Wars Day, I'm going to give you some ideas about Harry Potter and Star Wars. Now, both Harry Potter and Star Wars have books on CD. We have playaways for Harry Potter. And then, of course, we have the books. And we have the books in English and in Spanish in children's. And then we have graphic novels. And then we have games. Ooh, that would be fun. PlayStation 3, 4, Xbox, Wii, all of that. This is a music CD, but there's only one song on here. It's the Star Wars Episode 1, The Phantom Menace. It's the Duel of the Fates. Then we have the movies. We have DVDs and Blu-rays for both Harry Potter and Star Wars. And then we have nonfiction books that have to do with Star Wars crafts. These are all in the adult department. This one here is also your collector's wish book for Star Wars memorabilia. And this is a trivia book on Star Wars. That ought to be fun to read and see how much you really know. And then in the children's department, we have a book about different characters. And then you have a Harry Potter baking book. Awesome, huh? And in the adult department, you have a Harry Potter knitting. So see, these are just some of the things that you could read to get caught reading. Don't forget to check our digital media, that's Libby and Hoopla, for more titles of Star Wars and Harry Potter. So now remember, get caught reading the month of May. So until next time, hope you have a nice, safe couple of weeks.